Okay. See, this is first case. If right side is equal to a raised to n or anything a raised to n, okay, then let take an is, let's suppose this is c, this is c. Yes, c raised to n, okay. For example, solve. This is case number one. But one condition is there. What? C should not be the root of auxiliary equation. Okay. This is ACN. Always consider ACN. Okay. Understood? I tell you auxiliary equation. C. So first question is what? This is C. First of all, uh, you can write in this form. Right hand side is 7 raised to n. So first of all, find a homogeneous solution. Homogeneous solution means the last time you did homogeneous. Okay. Yes. Yes. First find homogeneous solution. Homogeneous, how will you find homogeneous solution? By putting right hand side is equal to 0. Okay. So simply you can put what? R square 0. Understood? What is the value of R? But R is not equal to 7. Why? Because this is 7. Okay. That's why you can use this formula. The problem comes when R is equal to 7. C should not be the root of auxiliary equation. This is auxiliary equation. Okay. And these are auxiliary roots. So this is not auxiliary root. Okay. Yes. Homogeneous solution will be. You got my point? Understood? Now find. Yes, yes. Find non-homogeneous solution. Non-homogeneous solution is particular solution. So find particular solution only when right hand side is not equal to 0. Here right hand side is what? C raised to n, right? But C is not equal to R. That's why you can use this formula. Okay. So what? A 7n. Understood? This is particular solution. So put here A 7n means what? Understood? Now solve for A. How will you solve A? Take A common. Understood? Take 7 raised to n common. 7 raised to 8 cancel. Multiply by 49. Both sides. 20, right? So age, if A is equal to 49, then AN will be okay. So always represent a particular solution AP. Okay. AP will be 49 becomes what? 7 raised to 2. Final solution will be homogeneous solution plus particular solution. What is homogeneous solution? This is homogeneous solution. Right. Okay. But conditions are also given. So you have to find C1 and C2. First write up to here. There is no change in finding homogeneous solution. This is previously we have already discussed, right? Yes. Are you ready? अरे कॉल कर त्याला काय कुठे गेला तो राईट अरे चुकीचे होऊन सेक्टर बोलत आले किती वेळ जाऊन yes, yes, right. Understood. Now find the conditions. First condition is what? A0. Put n is equal to 0, right? A0 is what? -1. Right, this is first condition. Put n is equal to 1. Right now, this is equation number 2. Solve using calci. First equation, second equation. Solve C1 and C2. C1, C2 value, tell me. ये क्या है? नहीं, ये भी कर। कहाँ से कब आएगा? आया आज। आज नहीं, 2 दिन हो गए। इधर आया नहीं। सर और जमा वाला आपको मार्कर चाहिए सर? अरे और जाने वाले थे ना? 15, 17 minus by 4. Okay. So put C1 and C2 here. Where A and C1 is what? 4 by 5 minus 17 by 4 plus 7 raised to. This is your final answer. Okay. What you didn't get? In the beginning, this case are you did not understand from. Okay. See, can I delete all? Okay, see. If right hand side is equal to in the form of c raised to n, c is any constant. Okay. Then always consider particular solution is this. But one condition, what? C should not be the root of auxiliary equation. Okay. Or you can say C should not be equal to R1 or R2 or R3. Understood? If C1 is equal to, let's suppose if C is equal to, here right hand side is what? 7 raised to n. What if it is 2 raised to n? Then you cannot apply this formula. Okay. Why? Because R1 is what? 2, na? R2 is 3. If it is 2 or 3, then you cannot apply this formula. Then what will you use? Can I delete all? Case number 1. I am solving previous question by considering new concept. If right hand side is equal to c raised to n, but c1 is not equal to, c should not be equal to r1, r2 or r3, anything, okay? Then particular solution will be ACN. Understood? If right hand side is equal to Cn, but C is equal to R1 or R2 or anything, then what will you use? NCN. No, no, no. ACN will be same, only N is multiplied. That's it. Okay. For example, the previous question. I am solving again previous question. AN, here it was 5. Right? Let's suppose this is 3N. Understood? I am now solving homogeneous part because homogeneous solution will be same, right? Homogeneous solution will be what? Understood? Yes. No, no, no. Homogeneous solution will be same. Only particular solution will be different. AP is will be changed. Okay. Same means what? You have to solve homogeneous in same way. Okay. Let's see. First, we find homogeneous solution. Right? This is R1 and this is R2. Right? Okay. Understood? Now find for non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous means particular solution. Particular solution means what? AP. But AP, yes, yes. Here, I changed 7 with 3. I am, yes, just because 7 is not equal to 2 or 3. That's why you can use this formula. Previous question was based on this. Now, based on this question. Okay. Now you can see 3 is same as R2, na? Then what AP will be what? A into N 3 raised to N. Understood? Yes. Don't write only A 3 raised to N. You have to write AN into 3 raised to N. Understood? Understood? Now put here. Okay? AN 3 raised to N. 5 N minus 1. 3 raised to N minus. Why N minus 1? Because this is N minus 1. Okay? Understood? Plus 6 A. Here A. n minus 2, 3n minus 2 is equal to 3n. Understood? A, yes. Now you have to solve for A. A n 3 raised to n 5, 3 raised to n upon 3, right? 3 square is equal to 3. Understood? Take A 3 raised to n common. What will you get? N cancel. Okay? Multiply 9 on both sides. 9an, 15a, 6n minus 2. A is outside. Okay. So 15n minus 15 minus 12. Minus 15n and plus 15n cancel. Because you multiply 9 on both sides. Okay. See. Cancel. Multiply 9 on both sides. Why? So that 3 square will cancel out. Or you can take 3 square LCM. 9n minus 3 into 5, 15, right? N minus 2. Now open the bracket. 9n minus 15n plus 15n, 15 plus 12. This will cancel. A is equal to 3. Okay. So put here A is equal to 3. AP will be what? Understood? Yes. Final answer will be homogeneous solution plus AP. Right? Okay, this is your answer. If conditions are given, then you have to find C1 and C2. Understood? Case number two. If right hand side is equal to constant, okay, then AP will be A. Okay, understood? Solve this 6an minus 1. First, you will solve what? Homogeneous. Homogeneous solution. How will you find homogeneous? R square minus 6r plus 9 is equal to 0, right? So r minus 3 is what? Whole square? This is auxiliary equation. You can write in this way. This is, yes, this is equal to 5. But whenever you are doing in R, then always put right hand side is equal to 0. Okay, understood? Now see, uh, A homogeneous will be what? C1 plus and C2. 3 का power n. Now you will find what? Particular solution. For particular solution, right hand side is what? Constant. Constant means 5. Right? Then what do you do? AP will be any constant A, right? Put here A. So A minus 6A plus 9. Understood? Yes, because this is constant and constant cannot be changed. Whatever the value of A and R, A n minus 1. No, no, A is not 5. Right hand side is 5. Then put AP is equal to A. Understood? A is 5 by 4 you are getting. Understood? Yes. Now final solution will be what? Homogeneous solution plus particular solution. This is your answer. What is particular solution? Particular solution is A and the value of A is 5 by 4. Yes. For particular solution, some conditions are given. Okay. Can you try this? One minute. Okay, now try this. First find homogeneous solution and then find particular solution. Here you will get one new concept. First try it, then I tell you what is the new concept here. is equal to 3n. If you are doing in R term, then put right hand side is equal to 0 for auxiliary equation. Yes, 0, right? So here you are getting R minus 3 whole square. Okay. Now find homogeneous solution. Right. Now find particular solution. Yes. Okay. Now try and tell me you are getting the solution.
हेलो क्लास से आता है हाँ ठीक है पार्टी का लेक्चर ये दीदी हाँ ये कौन से बोल रहे हो आम ना राजू का लोन में आम ना एक दो चार हेलो क्लास लेटेस्ट ना हाँ ये
लैपटॉप खोल लेता हूँ। लैपटॉप आपको दिखाना पड़ता है। अभी मुझे 1 घंटा लगेगा। हाँ ठीक है चलेगा। मैं लैपटॉप खोल दूँ उधर। हाँ ये वाला है। हाँ अरे थैंक यू। लैपटॉप खोल दूँ तो हाँ। सर एक से लेगा एक कप आता है। एक इसको 2 चावल है। लेकिन आप पढ़ कर करा सकते हैं। पर पूरा दिन भर बैठेगा। मनी पास
मणिपाल किधर?
हमारे खाना जावा। हाँ जावा जावा। वहाँ जावा देगा। हाँ यस। अब देखो सी यू कैन नॉट पुट an 3n वाई because in homogeneous 3n comes 2 times. You can see here, right? So if 3n comes 2 times, then then you can put a n square 3n, not an. Understood? If 3n 3 is to n does not come in homogeneous, then simply use what? A 3n. Okay. If 3n comes single time in homogeneous, an 3 raised to n. If 3n comes 2 times in homogeneous, then you have to put n square 3n. If 3 times, understood the concept? For 4 times and so on. Understood? Understood? Yes. See, first of all, you have to find homogeneous. Yes, very important. First, you have to find a homogeneous. Okay. If in homogeneous 3n comes twice, 2 times, right? Then you have to use this. Like in previous question, you have seen what? 3n comes 1 time, right? That's why you used what? A and 3n. And in very 2 terms mean 3n comes in both terms. Understood? Yes. And in the very first question, there was no 7 raised to n in this. That's why you use a 7 raised to n. Understood? Now put this here. Now solve this, you will get the value of A. Three raised to n cancel from all sides. Multiply 9 in numerator. Because this is general value of particular solution. This is for an. Then an minus 1 will be replace n with n minus 1. Right? Replace n with n minus 2. Understood? Clear, है ना? Yes. Open the bracket. A square minus 4n plus 4. 27n plus 27 plus 81n square. Right? Wait. This is n. This is n actually. Okay. A n square 3 raised to n. This is not n minus 2. This is only n. Okay. Yes. Understood? Multiply 9 on both sides. You will get out 9 square. You will get 80. A square minus 2n plus 1. Right? Open the bracket. Right? A will be half. Screen gone. Okay, that is deleted. Can you tell me what was the question? No, correct this. This is actually an. I did a wrong hit here because a n minus 2 cannot be on both sides. So put here n square 3 raised to n minus 6 n minus 1 square 3 raised to n minus. Right? So take n square 3 raised to n 3 square. Right? 3 raised to n cancel. 3 2 is 2 or 3 2 is 6. Right? Open the bracket. Oh, A is there. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So A is equal to what? Half. Then particular solution will be, this is actually A, huh? Half n square 3n. This is a particular solution. You can note down this. समझ में आया ना? बार में कितना नंबर? बार
बाकी तरीका ना इतने क्लास में
Done? You understood now? Okay. Now case number 2. If right hand side is equal to polynomial, सर आप 2 3 सब्जेक्ट को ले सकते हैं ना? अरे नहीं सर, वो पढ़ पढ़ के पढ़ा सकते हैं, बोला उसी में से आता है मास्टर पढ़वाएगा वो तो प्रोजेक्ट हो जाएगा ना। एक मतलब वो एक ही बोला नहीं सर, मैं क्या है तो 3 लेक्चर कर 3 लेक्चर 3 घंटे कर 3 टॉपिक 4 तो मैं क्वेश्चन अपडेट नहीं, आप 4 देगा तुरंत देगा, पहले दे देगा। इसलिए बोला दो सब्जेक्ट ले दो सर, आपको खुद का मिल जाएगा पढ़ाई, आपको खुद से मिल जाएगा पढ़ाई।
मतलब आपसे डिफरेंशिएशन आपका फीस लगता है।
मैं आता हूँ हाँ, थोड़ा
आ रहा है थोड़ा।
हाँ, उसको 6:30 बजे बुला दीजिए, बैठे रहो तो। अब देखो राइट हैंड साइड अगर पॉलिनोमियल है, राइट, समझ गया ना, मान लो ऐसा है, यस, थर्ड केस, मान लो पॉलिनोमियल है, ऐसा है कुछ तो an+b, तो AP क्या लेना, ओके। अगर an² bn+c है, क्वाड्रेटिक है तो अगर क्यूबिक है तो ओके, एंड सो ऑन।
तो वाईफाई पता है, पासवर्ड पता है आपको? वाईफाई पासवर्ड पता है?
पासवर्ड भूल गया शायद, गायकवाड़
वो
@60
बैकवर्ड उसको भी याद है टेक्स्ट।
@6014 7 @1647। ओके, ये नोट कर लो, ऊपर हो रहा है, गायकवाड़ में जी रहेगा बड़ा। अंडरस्टूड, यस। नोटेड, आगे चलें। इसमें क्वेश्चन नहीं दिए हैं, ओके। लेट्स सी, इन विच, हाँ यस, in this type of problem you will get all type, right? Yes, yes. See question number 36, right? So I am telling you third type in question number 36. One question, question number 34, and 17. Okay. So first we do 17. Okay. See. Okay. Now find the homogeneous solution. In homogeneous solution, no need to check anything. Just do what I told you earlier. Find homogeneous solution. For homogeneous solution, An becomes R, right? And right hand side becomes 0. So R will be what? Yes. R minus 1, R plus 4. So R, 1 and minus 4. This is R1 and this is R2. Understood? So An will be right. 1 raised to anything is what? Yes. Okay. This is your homogeneous solution. Now we will find particular solution. For particular solution, always check what is right hand side. Right hand side is what? Quadratic equation. And quadratic equation is what? N square Bn plus C. Understood? N square Bn plus C. Okay? Understood? Then put here. And this is what? And this is N minus 2. Right? Okay. Now this is 4A. Okay. Now see. Minus 4C, 3C plus C. Cancel out, right? Yes. Take A common. When you take A common, you will get N square, 3N square, minus 4N minus 1, 2 whole square, right? Take B common. Plus C common. C is cancel out, right? This is what? A square minus 2AB minus 6B plus B square. N square means minus 4N square. Minus 4 plus 16N minus 16. Okay. Understood? So minus 14 square, this is cancelled out. Right? Okay. Minus 4 and plus 3 and cancel. So what you are getting? 10n minus 13. Understood? Right? Now open the bracket. Ten an minus 13a plus 5b is equal to n square plus n. Okay, see. There is no n square in left side. Right? Right? You're not getting? Where? Left side. No, no. This is not an n square. You have to place an square bn plus c here. Okay. Understood? Yes. After this, compare. Okay. When? Where? Yes, yes. 10a is equal to 1. Then you will get a is equal to 1 by 10, right? Yes. And this is what? Whole thing. This is whole thing is what? Constant? And there is no constant at right hand side. B will be what? 13 by 12. So B becomes A and B you got. Right? C is cancel out. N square plus N. Yes, correct. No left square. Hmm. I think somewhere here I got mistake. AN. We have to solve very carefully. Hmm.
सर प्लीज है ना हाँ चलो
AN is what? AN square BN plus C. 3 AN minus 1 is
E
plus C. We have to solve very carefully, okay? Because one mistake. Okay. C.
अविनाश सर को दे दो अविनाश सर को दे दो
Right. Okay. AN square BN. Open the bracket 4A N square minus 4N plus 4. Okay. Take N square common. You will get what? A 3A minus 4A, right? Oh, yes. One important thing. Yes. Very good. See, what is your homogeneous solution? No. This is your homogeneous, right? In homogeneous, you are getting one constant, right? R1 is equal to what? 1. And R2 is equal to minus 4. And if you take what? Particular solution. This is also constant, right? This is Yes, that is constant. That is constant. If whenever in a homogeneous anything matched, then what you do? Multiply n. Understood? If it comes two times, then you will take n square. Understood? Yes, now this is correct. N square. If comes three times n cube, then here you will get what? N cube. N minus 1 cube. Okay. Now here you will get correct answer. Hello. Yes. If anything comes in homogeneous with n number of multiplicity, then multiply n times. Okay. N is what? So an a particular solution will be. But see, this is matched here, right? Both are same thing. That's why you have to take an cube. Understood? C1 plus C2 means what? C1 means what? Constant. Only constant is there and only constant is there. That's why you multiply. In homogeneous and particular should not be same. That's why you multiply with n. Okay? No, no, no. Same question. Understood? Actually, whenever in homogeneous comes already whatever you are guessing in particular solution, then always multiply n in particular solution. If it comes two times, then multiply with n square. It comes three times means n cube. Okay. Okay. See. If anything, either n square, n or c comes in, or you can say does not come in homogeneous, then okay. Question number 17. Yes. One time. Then AP will be n into 2 times 3 times. Okay. And so on. Understood? Now clear? Yes. Then an will be 1 time means what? If only c comes. Yes. If n comes, you can say in this way. 1 time means what? C repeated, C constant same. 2 times means n comes. Okay. 2 times means n square comes. Then use this. Understood? Okay. Now open the bracket. A cube, 3a square b, 3ab square, right? Minus bp. Because you multiply n in this term. Okay. Okay. Now open the bracket. Okay, open the bracket. A n cube bn square cn 3 an cube right. 3bn minus 3b minus 4 an cube. Okay, so an cube 3n square n square ये cancel right. bn square now you can separate, take n square common. Understood? Yes. So take n square common. B minus 9a plus 24a minus 4b. Take n common. C plus 9a 3b 3c. Now take constant common. Minus 3a minus 3b minus 3c 32a. Understood? Hello? Okay, now simplify this. Yes. So b minus 3b plus 15a. What? 4c? 9 minus 3a plus c. Yes, now this is correct. Understood? When you compare n square with n square, you will get what? Yes. Now you have to solve. Yes. You have to solve this by using calculator. Three simultaneous equation. And tell me the value of A, B, and C. Understood? Find the value of A, B, C. Okay, means 1/10. Okay, okay, whatever you got here, just put here. Okay, yes, understood.
इसमें तो नए नए नंबर से कॉल करते हैं। खाता नहीं जल्दी। हाँ पता है। ऑफिस के नंबर से करते जल्दी जल्दी उठ जाएगा। नहीं उठाते हो आप जल्दी। अच्छा नया नंबर लगा दिया।
Done. Yes, put the value of ABC. Right, you will get the answer. Okay. आगे चले।
ये आप कितनी जो कॉल करता दो काय नाही नको असं
एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं।
मला पण येतं मला पण येतं कोणी मारायला सगळे आहेत. सगळे हा स्वराज
See 21.
यही नाम से कोई और
Okay.
कोई तो आएगा
स्लो का है बड़ा तो पूरा फिक्स है सर आप गाँव से कुछ नहीं लाए
गाँव से क्या लेते हैं
Only.
आपको गाँव पे इतना कुछ मिलता है
क्या मालूम
So first find homogeneous solution.
वो ट्रेन में आगे जाना है कि
What is homogeneous?
मैं कुछ नहीं लेता
बैंक में भी कुछ नहीं लाया
कुछ ये है ना हम लोग बस आता है ना
बस दीदी चार्जर दे दो
Right? Arc repeated 2 times, right? So homogeneous will be what?
दस अन्य होते ना कल आगे
1:n is 1. Okay. Now very important. What will be the particular solution? Right hand side is what? Quadratic, right? This is quadratic question. That's why you can put here, right? But one important thing, C homogeneous, there is one constant, right?
मम्मी चावल नारियल तो रखती है
And one n.
बस पे आएगा ना बस में करता हूँ कहीं
No.
इधर
N is also there, right?
इधर ही होता है
इनसे गाँव का अलग ही होता है
Because 1:n is always 1.
करने का
That's why you delete this. Understood?
नहीं फिर हम लोग है ना टैग ही रहते हैं
C1 is what? Constant. And this is also constant means what? Any number.
तीन करो वहाँ जाओ
तो इससे आते हैं हमारे गाँव में भी बहुत नारियल
देखो वन वन के इतना ट्रेन वो
बॉक्स और
नहीं, this is only constant.
चढ़ना पड़ता है और ज़्यादा
Right.
करना स्टेप में क्या पिन कर लो
And NC2 n is multiplied with constant. So here is n and here is n. Understood?
ये हमारा खुद का झाड़ है
पहले हमने देखा
You are getting an equation in this form, n plus b. In this and in this. Understood?
दो झाड़ गिर गए
Okay?
लेके देखा होगा
हाँ पूरा बॉडी में लेके आते हैं हम लोग फिर मौसी भी से सबको बांटते हैं
See, this is linear equation, right? And this is what? Linear equation, na?
और काजू आम
It is not important that here C1, C2, what written. Okay? Hello? Okay, that's why you have to multiply with n. Okay? So AP will be
आपको काय
understood. Okay, question number 21. Yes. In 21, condition is not given. Initial condition. Right? So right hand side contains what? 3 plus n square, which is a polynomial of degree 2. Right? But one important thing is what? Here one constant and one nc2. That's why you have to multiply with what? N square. Understood? Because particular solution and homogeneous solution must be different. Okay? If you do not multiply with n square, then you will get what? See, this is constant and this is constant. Understood? Yes. Anyhow, you have to make homogeneous solution and particular solution must be different. Why you are not taking only this? Because this is constant and this is constant. This is Bn and this is NCn. That's why you multiply with n. But on multiply with n, you are getting same thing again. NC2, here NC. Right? Understood, na? Now put here the value. An is what? Minus 2. Right. Understood? A4 minus 4 to the 8. Okay. AN4 BNQ CN square. Understood? Some terms will be cancel out. AN4. Yes, only two terms will be left. Okay. Okay. Yes. Take any square common. You will get what? C minus 12A. Take n common. Take constant common. Now see, compare. Right. This is 0, right? Solve by calculator. Okay. So whatever you are getting, put here. Okay. Understood? Then combine homogeneous and non-homogeneous particulation in done.